morning, my JDF, and welcome to all my new subscribers. Blessings. Now, I have a video that I'm about to share with you in a bit of a B0DY that was found in Newtown, Sandy Bay. So I'm going to let you watch the video and listen while this gentleman speak. But first and foremost, if you're new to the channel, if it is your first time over here, please, I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click that notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activities on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like for the YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Stay safe and have a wonderful afternoon when it comes. Blessings.
Morning, everyone. Here we go on now. I come to you this morning on a very disturbing. Me there Sandy Bay up at one place near Newtown, see? And here we go on. Them just find a man up here. Head off. Body cannot be. Body is found, but then can't find the head. You understand what I say? As I say, I come from Sandy Bay in Hanover, where the police, them upon the scene, you can see the detective, them are coming, the crime scene detective, them. The body there, beyond right here, based off of the state that it is in. Me gather say, it is in a very serious state. The neck is completely from the body. You understand what I say? Yeah, Newtown, Sandy Bay in Hanover. Man, based off of what I hear, it would appear as it is a pastor. Right? Unconfirmed reports is that it is a pastor. You can see the police, them at the crime scene right there. I have them discussions. You understand what I say? But what the hell is happening in Hanover? Them just find a man and Lucy dead. And right now, we there up Newtown. And I can't even show the picture of the man, because the man head completely severed from his body. And based on what I am being told, the man is a pastor at a nearby church. Yeah, cause it bad. So I really wonder what they go on in the country, what really they go on in Hanover itself. You understand what I say? What I say I go on really sad. It's sad. Alright? Because a small, quiet community like Sandy Bay. You understand what I say? Man head last week, one man completely burned out in one car. This week, man head severed. When me see the image of the man head cut off, like chopped right down to the neck area. You understand what I say? You know, you have residents here. A lot of the people them not really come, them not venture, because you know people are scared. But this is the second such gruesome that would have taken place here in the Sandy Bay police area. And it leaves the question to ask, what the hell is happening, you know? What is happening? Me really scared and fearful for people. You know? Because when a man go burn out a man in a car, when a man go chop off a man, you wonder if there is some cult taking place, because all of this happening like within a mile of each other. Like, I mean, the incident that happened with the young man Gary the other day where he was burnt out in the car, over on the side it happened. You understand what I say? Boy, it just is a way. It's a way, and it just, I I don't know what to say. But what is it that is taking over this blessed country? You know what I mean? The kind of murder is, yeah, the view is beautiful, but the crime scene is horrible. You get what I say? So, boy, it just terrible. It really horrible. And we have to see what they go on. This happened on the base, up in the bush, up in Newtown. Hello. Oi. What are we going? Yeah, so the police them gone. So yeah, see what the police them are deal with. We are travel through the bush. I travel through the bush. Yeah. You see where I go on. At the scene. You can see it with a way in one bush. Way in one bush. You understand what I say, as I say, with the one crime scene where a man was killed, his head severely chopped off. Okay, alright, bless. Police is saying that we can't come. So we are going to turn back. See? No man, I say we are going to turn back. Yeah, the police say we can't come at the scene. So we are going to turn back. And as I say, because the people them really and truly want to see what they're going. People really anticipate. But the police, I say, we have to turn back. But yeah, what really are going is that we are going to say a man head was severed, chopped off. And we are going to say the man is a pastor, unconfirmed. You understand? I say we are going to say the man is a pastor. With news just coming in, so them find one body down a loose there, so same way around the seaside. You have to ask yourself, what really are going on in Hanover? You understand what I say? I wonder if it's an occult or something. But, Becky, yeah, what go on, them find a body up a Newtown in a Sandy Bay. Head chop off completely. No head, I just see, and then can't find the head. The body did it, but no head. So, that really are the situation. The police them block off the scene because they don't really want to go to a crime scene. These are the residents who really a look on this murder happen. Probably about a mile and a half or two from where them burn out the body on the different side of the road. It just what really they go along, it just really sad, you know what I mean? So until I get some more information, I just want to hear them know. So we have a murder up in a Sandy Bay, man body chop off, people them scared, people them afraid with all of the foolishness what really are going on in our place. Just walking through the community, you can see to the people them afraid to come up here. And I said the message, see, you have to go through that little area. I'll show you where the murder there. But the police them block off the scene because of crime scene. See, police them there. Police them stop in the road. You can see cops them, see them there. Them a look and see what go on, but they can't find the head. And can't find the other man. See police them there. But they can't find the man head. Now they're in a bush there on a panda. See what go on. And I said, I say, right, I know, man, I talk about the crime situation, but tell me how police is solve crime all up in them place. Because life rough, you know. And people come at them place and I try to build a house and I try to make a living. And God Almighty, you know, say, it just rough, wicked. You see, them kind of grew some murder. Yeah. I grew up in another community. Yeah. And yo, the most people used to do bad with them fist to fist. Now we come like man, not really afraid for the nothing. They don't care What happened to them youth? What happened to them? Boy, may I tell you. But, I saw you go. Well, make we see if they can go find the head. People put it with the body. We don't know if a dog gone with the head. We don't know if I take the head. Can't do anything at all with it. But unconfirmed reports is that it is that of a pastor of a nearby church. As me go repeat again, unconfirmed reports is that is the head of a pastor at a nearby church. Body was found in the bush, Newtown, Sandy Bay. Yeah. Well, this is the lady where we find the gentleman up in the bush. Is he a pastor, miss?
Yes, sir.
And she confirmed, say yes, he is a pastor.
He's our pastor friend.
Is he a pastor? Sorry, is he a pastor?
He's our pastor friend.
Oh, he a pastor friend?
Yeah.
Oh, so when I last time I see him?
Yesterday.
Okay, so he was doing what up here?
Alright, he went by us yesterday. So right here, so where you see line out right here, so? I'm line out, we build up 15 part of house. So he said, I come up here yesterday, come line out. So when he went up here yesterday now, in around 4 o'clock, we call him and we don't hear him. So when we look down, I was 6 o'clock and we say, alright, that's curfew time. So he's supposed to come down already. So I call him in the hear him, so I take this stick and start to walk and come up here, come look at the scene. I come up here, I search, I see him, and one gentleman will live down there, so one next lady. 4 of us come up and we start search for him last night and we still not find him. So we went down at the station and make a report.
We find him bag.
Yeah, we find him bag right down there, so. The bag and the cutlass and everything we left it out of the yard right down there, so. So we went back down and go down at the station. So when they said to us, we come up early this morning, come look at his team, ask for help. So when you come this morning, we never see the two persons.
Police telling us if we come up early this morning?
Yeah.
Them not come with you no?
No.
Them telling us if we come up this morning, we're going to look if we don't see him?
Yeah.
Oh my God. But
With help.
with help.
Help.
But help, any help, what should I go on? I should have them again with the help. But carry on.
So,
Yeah.
so when we come this morning, I search down the gully all around, I not see him. Me and my daughter search, I not see him. So that's one night, follow the truck and go around the car. Me say, "Three say want some more come around with it." So I say, "Me no know if him three asthma, he say have an asthma problem." So I say, maybe he go cut stick and he maybe fall down. He has to take him and he fall down. So I say, right, me go walk around there. So I walk around the sun. Me I catch something and I look. I see him. I go see him shoulder pop, but I don't see him have an head. I just turn back and go back down the hill. So
oh my God.
it.
So you're in your back up and you see him with no head?
No head.
But he was wearing the same clothes where you left him, you know? So that is why you identify him?
Yeah.
Oh my. Eh? See, detective a come on the crime scene, but he want to escalator to come up here. This is how far. This is how far the crime scene is. Alright, we soon come for. Alright, take your time. You can see the place, you can see how far we're there. In the bush. Yeah. So, what may I say to you, my friend? Says that the police, can be kind of concerned about that. The police here must get help and go search.
Yeah, early this morning.
But I would have thought that it would be the police that would come with you.
No, he did not. So we seek help and go look him early this morning because they said if anything they will call us back this morning.
So when you find the body, then you call them?
Yeah.
Oh God. So when was the last time you saw him?
Yesterday evening. Yesterday 1:30 there about this.
That is the last time it was 1:40. That's the last time he leave the way I come out.
1:40. So where was he living before?
Maybe him live.
But him
Staying in Montego Bay.
But him
he come from St. Catherine. But for the since the last year, him living in Montego Bay.
okay, and him operate a church, you said Mount Bella?
No.
Where?
Right now, him don't have
a church right now.
Or them have an active church?
No.
But him is a pastor?
Yes.
Okay, so
He visit different churches.
just for clarity, he is a pastor, but him no him no
Actually, in church, they actually have in church and support, but they end up and go and leave other persons in charge. And when he come back, he get to understand that he was in care and in a deal with foolishness. When he come on to God, he actually in a deal with foolishness. So that is why he end up and he shut down the church, and things happen, and he end up and he leave, come a man to go here. And from then, him say if he even feel by himself, he might go do him thing by himself. And that is how we meet him in the process and so forth.
He started to come to our church?
Yes. He come and visit our church and so
So
forth.
which church in Opel you guys attend?
We were attending Faith Anchor right at Sam's Plaza.
Okay.
In Opel.
Okay. Alright, again, condolences. I really hope everything. Does he have any family member that have they been contacted?
Yeah, he have him wife and him children. 2 sons. He have him wife and 2 sons.
Okay, so you hear it. We are at
Newtown.
you coming?
Come off later.
Miss Unkalia. We are at Newtown where a pastor was beheaded. His head was chopped off, completely severed from off his body. And this is the second such gruesome murder that has taken place in the Sandy Bay area. As you can see, we are way above sea level. You can see it there. You understand? But let's see how this will unravel. People, wanna stay safe and stay blessed, because right now, a dangerous time. Everybody right now in the area is tense and afraid. Because think about it. What are the odds of murders operating just few miles from each other? One burnt out, one head chop off. In our small, quiet, fishing, good community. My good community of Sandy Bay. You understand what I say? We can't afford them something to happen. And I kind of feel aware when me hear the witness I say she go to the station and the police said them to go search the person. I would have thought that, the police would have followed the person, but that's a separate case. Bless upon yourself and stay safe. Jah guide.